Hey, what's up everybody? So welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about Wi-Fi password. Okay, so in today's video we're going to talk about how to share Wi-Fi password from one device to another. So this tips works for iOS devices and also Mac OS. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly of how to check the Wi-Fi password that you have both on your Mac or on your iOS devices or Android devices. But the main purpose of this video, first of all, we are going to talk about how to share the connected Wi-Fi from your device. For example, on this video, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to share the Wi-Fi connection from my Mac to my iOS device, to my iPhone, and from my iPhone to my Mac. And also, this works very well, especially when you go to the cafe and you ask somebody for a Wi-Fi password, but next time that you come back you forgot the password and you don't want to ask for the Wi-Fi password again. So you can do this trick so that you can share from your connected device to your other devices. Or probably you want to share the Wi-Fi connection from your friend, so it's more convenient without asking them the Wi-Fi password, because some passwords are complicated to remember. Okay, so without further delay, let's get started. Hi guys, so let me show you. So as you can see from the left hand side, this is my iPhone screen and the big screen is my Mac. And I go to the setting and Wi-Fi. As you can see, I have 10 DAR connected. Okay, and let me turn on the Wi-Fi on my Mac. And as you can see, Tenda is not connected on my Mac. So I click on the Tenda. Okay, when you click on it, I want you to pay close attention on this. As you can see from these, the message, you can also access this Wi-Fi network by bringing your Mac near any iPhone, iPad or Mac which has connected to this network and has you in their contacts. So the last sentence is important. Has you in their contacts. Okay? So make sure that you and your friends, or your connected device that you want to share with other devices have each other's contact. Otherwise, it's not possible to do this trick. Okay, so if both or all devices have each other contact, you can perform this trick. Okay, so just do nothing. Just wait for a few seconds and you will get this pop-up information on your iOS device. Do you want to share the Wi-Fi password for Tenda with Parrot's MacBook Pro? So yes, just click share password and let's see the magic, what happens. Okay, so as you can see, the Wi-Fi password is automatically filled in on your Mac. And now I have the Tenda connected on my Mac and I start using the internet right away. Okay, so now let's take a look at how this trick works on the iPhone. At the moment we are working on the Mac. Let's say I am trying to share the Wi-Fi password from my iOS device to my Mac. So now let's do the vice versa. Okay, so now I'm going to the setting and the Wi-Fi on my iPhone, and I don't have the connection on the Tenda. So I click on my Mac. As you can see, the message is there. So I just click on the word share. And just a few seconds later, the magic just happens. So the password is automatically filled in on the iPhone. So yes, it's the same thing. I can start using the internet right after the Wi-Fi is connected. Okay, so it's very fast and convenient. Okay, so now it's time to go to the last tip of today's video, which is going to be about how to check your Wi-Fi password. Okay, so on your Mac, you have to go to the keychain access, and on the left hand side you need to choose the word passwords and search for the connected password that your Mac is connected to. As you can see in this video, I connected to the Tenda. When you search, you have two different kind of options, the system and the iCloud. So please choose the iCloud, click on show password and fill in the Mac password. Okay, and click OK, and this is my password of the Wi-Fi. Okay, so now let's move to another way of how to check the Wi-Fi password. So click on the Wi-Fi and go to Open Network Preferences and click on Advanced and go to the next tab, the tab of the TCP. Okay, and then look at the router number. This is my router number. So just go to Safari and fill in or type the router number of the connected Wi-Fi, and you can get this kind of page. So the username is admin and normally the password is the same, admin. Okay, so go to wireless and find the word security and the security key, and just click on the key and you can see the password. Okay, this is how to check the Wi-Fi password from your router number. Okay, so it can work on all different internet browsers. Okay, so now let me show you how this trick works on your iPhone as well, and also your Android devices. Okay, so now I'm on my iPhone. So first thing that you need to do is to go to the setting, go to the Wi-Fi, okay, and click on this symbol and scroll down and find the router number. So as you can see, the router number is exactly the same as the one that I show you on my Mac. So the same thing, what you need to do is to go to Safari or any internet browser and fill it in with the router number. And the same thing, password is normally set the same as the username, you know, admin, and click OK and click advanced and go to wireless, and after that go to wireless security. And if you are on the same page right now, so just click in the box of the password and you can get the password right away. So for your information guys, with the router number, it depends on what router you are using. So in this example, I'm using the Tenda. So if you are using the TP-Link, the page might look different. However, remember to go for the wireless and wireless security or wireless password. Okay, so this trick works very well, especially you go to your friend's house and you borrow your friend's mobile phone and you go to this trick so that you can get the Wi-Fi for free without asking your friends what the Wi-Fi password is. But for your information, please do not use this in a bad way. For example, you get to go to the router number and you get to the admin a page like what I'm showing you at the moment, and then you change the password of the router. So don't play this, okay, with the owner. My purpose of this video is just to show and share for the knowledge only, not for doing any bad things in the future. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment down below. And I hope to see you guys in the next videos. Thank you.